Alright guys, so it's been about a day. Our resin's been all cured up. We did have a little bit of bleed through on the red there with that dove. It's not awful, but just make sure when you're filling anything up that if you fill it up with the wood that there's not a crossover like that and the resin will bleed through. If you can see, I got all this wood burnt. It takes quite a while to do this, so I did it off camera, but I got one more to do so I can show you at least the process. This is a calligraphy pen for wood burning, is what it is. And I got this at Hobby Lobby for like $30, and then I bought a little set of what's called hot stamps, and you can see that there's like a little H on there. That's going to go right next to the T here on there. So all you do is, it's been sitting in here. I got the temperature gauge turned on so it's hot, nice and hot, so I don't want to get anywhere near that. And then you just, I got a little pencil line here so I can keep everything straight. You want to make sure that you wiggle it around so it burns the entire thing. Not like crazy, but just a little bit. There's the H. Turn this off. So set that up here out of the way so it can cool down and I don't accidentally touch it and burn the living crap out of myself. Don't want that. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take some sand and some paper, sand this down. And we're going to do some 400 grit sandpaper. And we're going to get this a little bit wet first. Got a little cup here. And I took the rest of the hot stamps in when they got done. I dropped them in here so they would cool off. Take a couple drops of that water. Just dip my fingers in there. These are already cooled off, so I don't have to worry about burning my hand up or anything. Now that we've got over top of those, they're a little scratched up. Not as bad, but I'll just use a little bit of this. This is turtle wax for your car, for your headlights. Put a little bit of that on there. Take a little bit of shop rag, microfiber cloth. It's not going to hurt your wood at all. Whenever I was taught to polish things, I was always taught to go in a little tiny circle. It's just a habit of mine. I don't think it really matters if that's how you do it or not. Okay, so that's that. We're going to take the rest of this one that we ripped off here, and we'll go off camera and grab some stuff. We're going to go ahead and stain this wood. This is boiled linseed oil right here. We're going to take our shop rag, put it on the top of this. All right. So there she is. We're all wood burned on there. I got the boiled linseed oil on there. Like I said, we'll give this some time to dry, and we'll go back and hit it probably again, maybe a third time. It just depends on how the wood looks, how it's in, and how thirsty it was, basically. All right, I'll see you in the next one.